Firstly, I must tell you, so I was literally a shy girl. I mainly had problem for my screening. If I saw a car in that particular road or picture, I consider it as an accident. As I said, sir, I used to imagine something different in my every picture. Where you want to take your interview, it's in your hands, sir.
Fairly good. So how did your parents react when they heard of your
Yes,
success?
sir.
Hi Shavni, good evening. How are you? How do you feel being recommended?
Yes. Good evening, sir. It's so nice now, and merit has come, and I'm also very excited to join Academy now.
So I understand you're going to be joining this month itself, 28th of this month. You're joining the Air Force Academy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you've been selected for ground duty or pilot?
Yes, sir. I'm fit for ground duty only, sir.
Ground duty. Okay,
Yes.
okay, great, great. So which is the branch that you chose for ground duty?
Accounts of accounts.
Accounts. Yeah, basically, okay, fine. So I understand you were pursuing your, you done your graduation in commerce and you are also pursuing your chartered accountancy.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. But what surprises me is that a chartered accountant student, aspiring to join the defense. I mean, how is this combination? How did that work out for you?
Sir, it's beautiful, and I think everyone should try this. That everyone should apply their art, knowledge, and I think physical fitness in combination. And this is only possible in forces. That I could what I could experience that everything in my NCC days. So I think this is a wonderful experience that one should pursue chartered accountancy as well as one should join forces.
But at what stage did you get this thought that I must try for the defense?
Yes, sir. After getting C certificate, I was planning to do my NCC entry, but that time I could not go for that SSB interview. And after eventually I cleared my APCAT exam in first. When firstly I cleared that APCAT exam, then eventually I was planning for that APCAT interview also, that AFSB. And I in first attempt I could screened in and I got recommended.
So this was your first attempt. Wonderful, no?
Thank you, sir.
First day, first show, right?
Yes, sir.
So, you were in which NCC? I mean, you had joined the Air Force NCC, Navy NCC, or the Army NCC?
No, sir. Army wing I joined because I was from commerce background. So for Army and Navy, you need to do 11th and 12th in science stream. So I was totally from commerce background. So I joined Army NCC there.
So, why didn't you not, take Army as your career then?
So nothing like that. I came from civilian background, sir. So any opportunity, if I get any chance to join forces, then why to waste that? So nothing like that. That
So you,
army.
okay, you
Yes,
didn't have any special choice as far as the Army, Navy, or Air Force is concerned. Okay, great. So, so you're going to be a ground duty officer in the
yes,
Air Force and accounts officer, presumably, right?
yes, sir.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So fine. I mean, even the services need the accounts and logistics and all that. So why not? I mean, that's a fantastic branch. I must say that you'll be applying your academic knowledge as well as you derive all the thrill, adventure, and the charm of wearing the uniform.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
So can you, Shavani, can you just share the journey, how it all started, from how did you begin, preparations, and what was your association with AFPA, etc.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I must tell you, sir, I was literally a shy girl. That experience was really nice. That transformation is needed for every person. SSB is a life-changing process, and it's a beautiful process. That if you understood yourself completely, then you will definitely get to know what SSB is. So that's how it started. That in NCC I did RDC camps, Thal Sainik camps, and then mainly, sir, this is the life changing, or this is different from a civil background of what career is, because this includes all art, your physical fitness, and knowledge also. So as far as the defense career concerned, I took decision that I will give a try to this sector, and then it came to the whole procedure for SSB, that many people say that written तो clear हो जाएंगे, but SSB तो होता नहीं है लोगों से. So I was like, okay. When I was in AFPA, I mainly had problem for my screening because I could speak, but I think the problem is with my English, sir, because I think we should communicate good in English, right? So, but the only thing is that is not the sole thing you need for SSB. That is the important thing, that you should be able to communicate in English. But people think that that is the sole thing, that if I can communicate greatly in English, then I can clear SSB. But that's not the right thing. People should like उनको mind से ये पूरी चीजें निकालनी चाहिए, sir. So I started with that, and when I was in AFPA, many sessions we had, but sir was giving me feedback that you are not assertive at that point of time. I had my own points, but the only thing is, like, I could not express myself well in front of people. Like there were 20 to 25 people in a group, and I could not express. In this SSB, sir, we had a group of, I think, 16 to 20 people, girls, and I'm very fortunate to tell you that that I could express my feelings well, and I narrated my group common story. That is the main transformation that happened in me. That one main thing I followed in screening, sir, that if you are listening to others, they will of course listen to you. That is the sole thing. And crucial part of that group discussion or narration even, and picture person. Even I was that kind of girl, sir. While pursuing pictures, sir, if I saw a car in that particular road or picture, I could consider it as an accident. So that kind of negativity or something like that kind of nature, not nature, I must say, but that kind of thing I always had in my mind, that there is something different and you have to do it differently. But I think SSB is all like, you don't need to do something different, but you just need to portray yourself differently. That's all I followed during my screening procedure. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, when you were in AFPA, you were told you're not assertive and, you're not communicating. So I'm sure you must have done something about it. It wouldn't have happened on its own, right?
Yes, sir. I used to practice in front of my phone. So I used to record my own videos, and I used to correct myself that this is the thing I'm going wrong, or that is the thing I'm doing wrong. Or while narration, I was taking lots of pauses, or I used to fumble a lot. So these things I need to correct at that time. And during lockdown is the most important phase where I practice really hard. That in front of my phone, I started practicing regularly. Daily, I used to record 2-3 videos of 2-3 minutes, or maybe for narration 30 to 45 seconds, and I used to practice for that.
So practice makes a man perfect.
Yes,
And
sir.
nothing is impossible. It's just that you need to put in that a little bit of hard work to overcome your weaknesses. That's great. That's what happens. I keep telling everybody in AFPA that, don't get nervous because you're not able to speak or you're not assertive. It is just that you need to, put in that effort. For some, it may happen early. For some, it may happen late. That's the only difference. Wonderful. So you got screened in. So you must have been very happy when you screened in. One stage ahead,
Yes.
one step ahead in the process. Fine. Then what happened in the psychological test?
Uh, Next day, uh, in morning, there was a psychological test. For psychological tests, I also followed the same practice routine. So during again lockdown, I used to practice for TAT-VAT SRT. As I said, sir, I used to imagine something different in my every picture. So from that negativity, I fetched myself to the zero level, and then I started building my empire. I started imagining good stories, the stories which are relating to myself, my personal life, or the daily things, from which you can think that from which you can even easily get if this person is having this quality. That's also. For stories, I followed this. For bat, again, I was doing the words which are not creating sentences which are not very perfect. Like if I took that particular word, I used to imagine something different again. But I think one need to do the basic thing or basic related things. That only I followed for VAT, sir. For SRT, I never faced many big huge problems for SRT, sir. But the only thing I followed, sir, some kind of words we need to take, or some kind of words we need to gather for that. That too much verbose activity should not be there. That is why I followed for SRT. And for self description, I literally asked my teachers, my friends, my parents, and even my colleagues at office that at what point I am good, or the things I need to improve, or what kind of attitude I have at moments, or what kind of things I need to inculcate in myself. So this is all about psychological test. Though only I would like to tell through this that the practice is the only key for this psychological test. So again, so before SSB, prior 15 days, I used to wake at 3 a.m. in morning, and I used to practice whole psychological test for 2 hours, 3 to 5. And again, I used to sleep for 2 hours. And again, when I came back to my stuff, that around 8 to 9 a.m. in morning, I used to see, and again I used to like correct myself that this is the thing you did wrong, or this is the thing you did perfectly. So I think one need to correct himself or herself at that moment.
So that's what we say here, that once you learn the principles and concepts in AFPA, you should be able to give your natural responses under time constraint and sit and correct yourself and see whether
Yes,
the sentences that you made are as per what we taught you. Is it
yes,
falling in place? So
yes.
obviously, it's all hard work that you did, Shavani, and we are really, really very proud of you. And how about the GTO?
GTO, sir, beautiful it was, sir. Sir, in my group, we were 9 of girls, and everyone was very dominant. I got for screening for group discussion, I got very lenient group that everyone was listening to everyone. But after screening, I need to become dominant a bit, because two, 4 of them were from defense background, and everyone was very dominant at that point. So for group discussion and discussion, I need to be bit dominant at moment. But again, I must say the knowledge, that general knowledge or current affairs, you need to uh, not by heart, but you need to be aware of that current affairs. You should use that current affairs in that particular group discussions or GP discussions. That's also I followed. And I think, sir, in my case, GTO sir took half my PIQ form before command task. So in interview, um, many questions presidents are skipped at that point of time. So it was again a good thing that if they are getting this girl or this boy is good at certain points, then they will not check or test it again and again. So they will get to know that she is good at this thing. Let's check her another values too. So in uh, again, if we consider PGT, HGT, and command task, again it was good. And sir, one incident happened at that time. Sir, at the start of PGT, at first task, I was ahead of everyone, and I was on that structure. I took Bali, and I was trying to put it under that structure to make that to figure out some ideas. So and loudly I said, sir, that how can we use Bali to walk? And GTO sir came. We can use Bali for walking, isn't it? And I said nothing at that time, at that point of time. After in command task, one girl asked me to come as subordinate of her. So she made that structure, and GTO sir, she made that structure, and that was unstable structure. That was with Bali. So GTO sir asked her to walk one of her subordinate through that unstable structure. Another subordinate was quite heavy, so I was the only option remained with her, and I walked through that Bali on that unstable structure and cleared it successfully. And at the end of that structure, I just saw that at GTO sir, and he realized like, yes, we can walk on Bali. Don't take any tension of that. So SSB will give you many chances like to prove yourself, or it will give many opportunities to prove yourself again and again. Just you need to take that opportunity, just like as life does. Like it will give again and again opportunities to prove yourself. So
But I'm
it is
sure,
all about
Shivani, I'm sure in
yes,
Appa you have walked on the Bali many a times.
yes, sir. But at that point of time, what I thought, I don't know. But I loudly said that how can we walk on Bali? And again, sir told me, and I proved myself wrong, and I overcame my fear that we can walk on Bali. So yes,
See, that's that's what once you show that kind of an apprehension, then he found an opportunity to check it out whether you do have a fear or you are willing to take that risk and walk on it. So that's good. I mean,
yes,
that's how it is. That's how it works because assessment is all about ruling out all observations, doubts that we may have noted down in the basic series. So that's what we teach you here in AFPA. Fine. Go ahead. So HGT, command task, and
yes.
PGT. No problem. No problem at all.
No, in command task, yes. I think I never had problem with those ideas or something, and they asked you to come as per your performance sequence. Like the one who is weakest at the moment, they will call you in firstly, and the person who is good at or PGT or HGT or any ground task, he will call you at the end of the whole group. So he called me at the end. So I never had problem with that command task or any HGT or any ground level task. In lecture it's I got topic again democracy. So and it was not a high level topic. It was a normal level topic, but I chose that because I could use my general awareness through that. And the only again the thing I want to tell you, so that here GTO sir again checked my current affairs or general knowledge about that particular subject. So for democracy, I spoke on quadrilateral, that quadrilateral group, that largest democracies of this of world are joining hand together. So again they checked my current affairs here, and even before command task, GTO sir asked me certain questions about my PIQ form, and it was about 20 to 25 minutes. He asked me everything, and even he asked me like how you prepare for that, and how you what do you think what you have done wrong till point of time in SSB, and each and every question he asked me before my command task. So I think half interview was done by GTO sir, and whatever he had not asked, that everything was asked by President sir in my interview. So.
No, that's not how it is. It is just that I'm sure the GTO and the interviewing officer would have never discussed you before your conference. That is not the process that we follow. Out of inquisitiveness, he must have found out about you, your family background, and all that. So it appears like an interview. Tell me, so he asked you how did you prepare? So did you mention that you went to AFPA for training?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you told him that.
He asked me particularly that how you prepared during lockdown, because before my SSB there was huge gap of 6 months. So I remained particular to that question, and I told them that I prepared as through this, and I went for interview, that I went for Commander Chakrapani sir's interview recently. So I mentioned that, sir.
So you told him that you took interview with Commander Chakrapani.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes.
fair enough. Very good. And so the interview also went off smoothly for you.
Yes, sir. Uh, Firstly, I was scared because it was with presidents of that CFSD Gandhinagar, and I was nothing. He particularly asked me about my family, my relations with friends, and he asked me my about my initiatives during my lockdown. And I think it's in the one thing I noticed here, that where you want to take your interview, it's in your hands. So many people think that he asked me something else. I don't think so. That if you are giving something to him, then only he can ask you that thing. So same happened with me, so that he asked me everything about my family, and then about my career, academics, then um, grill me about something that why didn't you opt for NCC entry, and nothing else than that. So what activities you planned, what activities that I organized one science exhibition, he asked me about that. Then he asked me about my initiative during lockdown of that menstrual cups. So again, it went smoothly, sir. He asked me everything related to this, sir, each and everything.
So how did you feel before the conference?
Sir, it took like 20 to 25 minutes again. I was waiting outside, and I was like, I don't want to become that borderline candidate, but let's see. I waited for 25 minutes, and after when I went for conference, it just hardly 1 minute. He asked me like, what are your highest achievements till date, and how was your stay? Nothing other than this he asked me. So I was pretty sure he ho jayega, no problem.
So how many vacancies were there for the accounts branch for women?
Women, for short service commission, there were 10 vacancies. So.
Okay. So I'm sure you've done well in the SSB. Otherwise, with 10 vacancies, you are meriting, you are joining the academy. It is not possible. So fairly good. So how did your parents react when they heard of your success?
Yes, sir. They are really happy, sir, right now, because I'm the first one who is joining defense. So they are totally from civilian background even. So they think that this is something different, and they are very proud at this moment, sir.
I'm sure you'll make them proud even more as you go along, and when
Yes,
they
sir.
see you in the Air Force uniform passing out of the academy. Yeah. Tell me, okay, your brief stay of 14 days with us
Yes.
way back in November 2019, and then you could go to the SSB only in October because of the pandemic and other stuff. So, how was your experience here in AFPA?
Sir, it was good. First of all, we get exposure to all ground tasks. That is the only important thing for ground task. And I think for screening procedure, again we got lots of practice at that point of time. So I think it helped me a lot to analyze myself, assess myself, and there were many students who are from whom we can learn many things. So at that point of time, the one girl was there with me, Janvi Vyas, and she joined academy right now. She's in academy. She will be my senior. So
Yeah.
there were many girls and boys also with whom we can interact, and with them also we can analyze ourselves, that where we are right now, where we want to go, and how we can plan this accordingly. This thing we got in AFCA, sir. And for psychological tests, again, sir gave us practice, many practices. We got like 7 to 8 times. We even followed every TAT writing practices, and even for personal interview. So it is a great thing for me, because I never had that thing कि कैसे they interview. I never felt like underconfident. I was shy at moment, but that was only for screening. But I never felt like interview is very tough thing for me. But again, for analyzing yourself and for perfect answer giving technique, you need to go with AFPA, because even Chakrapani sir told me that you became verbose at moments. So how to plan that, and how to analyze, or how to plan your answers? That is the sole important thing in interviews.
See, with us having created the facility of online assessment, this is what I keep telling the students, that once you learn from us, you go back home and you start practicing, start working on yourself, and maybe closer to the date, take an assessment again, so that you are sure that you have reached the level, and you are that much more confident when you go into the SSB. So
Yes.
very good. That's exactly what you did. So that really helped you,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
So it was wonderful talking to you, Shavani, and I must tell you that AFPA is now, produced 300 success stories already. And despite the fact that the academy was closed for almost 8.5 months, and we are just 2 years and 10 months old. Out of that 8.5 months, we did not train anybody, and still AFPA could produce 300 officers for the nation. And
Yes.
we are also shifting out of the present location shortly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, AFPA is moving into its own location, and we built that over last 1.5 years or so, and a beautiful location. And we look forward to you coming over to AFPA whenever you come back next time from
Yes.
the academy on a vacation.
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely. And it's an honor for me, sir, that you spent your precious time on me, sir. That's the beautiful thing, sir.
No, that's the passion that I live for.
Yes.
The 8.5 months was a hell of a time for me without children. So now I'm very happy that we are back again, and since November we are doing batches, and success stories of flowing in on a regular basis. So that keeps me ticking. Thank you. It was wonderful talking to you, Shavani, and I wish you all the best from everyone in AFPA. And we
Yes.
are very, very proud of you, and we hope you will, stay as motivated and serve the nation with pride. And
Yes.
you'll be an inspiration for, thousands of people around the country, particularly the women power, right? Thank you
Yes.
very much, sir. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Yes. And so.